Are you tired of uploading dozens of designs to Etsy only to get 0 views? You're not doing it wrong. You're just fighting blind. The top 1% of sellers aren't guessing their keywords. They use data. Meet SMB Helper, the ultimate AI-powered ecosystem that turns Etsy and Redbubble into a predictable money-making machine. It starts right in your browser. With the SMB Helper Chrome Extension, you never have to leave Etsy to do your research. Just search for an idea and instantly see competition badges right under every listing. Found a bestseller? Open our Listing Spy sidebar to reveal their exact hidden tags and copy their winning strategy in one click. Want to know exactly what your competitors are doing? Use Shop Spy. Just drop in a successful Etsy store and we'll scrape their active listings and top categories. But we don't stop there. Our AI review mining analyzes hundreds of real customer reviews to find exact pain points. Now you know exactly what buyers are begging for before you even design the product. But here is the absolute game changer. Creating listings is boring and takes forever. Not anymore. Right inside the Etsy listing editor, click the SMB Helper magic button. Type in a basic keyword and our AI, powered by Vertex AI, will generate a highly converting title, a full SEO description, and autofill all 13 perfectly researched tags for you. What used to take 20 minutes now takes 5 seconds. No time to research today? No problem. Just log into your dashboard with your morning coffee and check the niche of the day. Every single day, our algorithm hands you one hand-picked, low-competition, highly profitable micro-niche on a silver platter. It's time to stop guessing and start treating your Etsy shop like a real business. Join the sellers who are already dominating the algorithm. Click the link in the description to install the SMB Helper Chrome extension for free today and watch your views turn into sales.